Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to set up automated responses on Facebook Messenger. So what you're going to do here is you have to simply download or install this Facebook Meta Business Suite. To do that, you have to go to your Google Play Store if you're an Android or App Store if you're using iPhone. Search for Meta Business Suite and then install this one. As you can see, I have this already, but I need to update. Once installed, you can now open this application and then you have to make sure that your Facebook page is currently logged in. If not, then you need to log in or you need to switch to that specific page. Now tap these three lines at the bottom right corner and then scroll down, look for settings, tap this one that is below lead center, and then you have to click automations below notifications. So here in automations, you will see this option such as suggested for you, instant reply, and away message. So if you click this try it, then you will probably see here this pencil icon where you can edit a message or instant reply to your customer or to those people who visits your page. So all you have to do is to click at the pencil icon and then enter or create the message or the instant message and then tap save. Also same thing with away message in case that you're away and you cannot reply to their concerns right away. So you can simply tap this and click this pencil icon, create the away message, or you just have to simply edit this or add something here and then after that click save. So basically, that's how simple it is to set up automated responses on Facebook Messenger. You just have to install this application, log into your account, and then create instant messages with the help of automations. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.